go follow this account because yeah, I lost my old account, and yeah, I need you to follow this account and like yeah, what's up, good? Damn, I messed up already. Alright, bro. But what's up, guys? Well, today we gonna try to find some drip. Yeah, I made a new account because I'm a broke dude. So basically, you just wanna like go in here, and then you just wanna like look for some like fire, like good, like you see like this V-Low and like stuff like that, but. So you just look for a nice shirt or whatever, and then when you find like something good, I look you like this. You damn, right. So you gonna go to the person and then like just look at his stuff and see what he got, and like if you like some of his stuff, like but like I don't really like this stuff, like I'm not like so I look like this blue shirt, so I'm gonna I really see he has an outfit. He has outfits. Oh, don't mind the background noise, but yeah, I actually like this shirt. This shirt's fire, or whatever it is. So I'm gonna take this out, and then I'm gonna look for some jeans or whatever. Like you can go on feature, or like you can look for a creator of like but like this is how I like doing it. I like going to feature and then get the thing and then look at the creator, because some people they be like having good clothes and stuff. So I'm gonna look for some jeans. Shoot, what? I low-key like these, but like, yeah. Oh yeah, I like these. And now, like, I'm really like, so, shoes. So I'm gonna see how the outfit looks so far. Look, coming together. I just need like shoes. Yeah, shoes be fire. I need like fire shoes. So like, I low-key like one of my favorite shoes are 4s. So I'm gonna type in Jordan 4s, and I should find some like something to go with it. It's like something like that. It's like a color like that. So, no, it's not exactly. Like I need something like I don't know, but yeah. Damn, what the alright. Here. Now let me see what the drip coming to. I mean, they're okay, but like, I mean, it's not the greatest fit, but like, I mean, at least it's like something, And then like you can get some accessories and stuff. But like, yeah, basically that's like how I do it. Like find some good drip. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And yeah.
You know, we know. It's like you don't know. Keep it on the low low. So a nigga lay low.